Before we begin, let me ask you something. Have you noticed that getting up from a chair feels harder than it used to? Climbing stairs leaves your legs feeling weak, or your walks aren't as steady and comfortable as they once were. What if I told you that one of the simplest things sitting in your kitchen right now could help support muscle strength, improve mobility, keep you moving with confidence after 60? Most people focus on expensive supplements, complicated exercise routines, or trendy health products, but they completely overlook a powerful daily habit that may make a real difference. Certain teas contain natural compounds that can help reduce inflammation, support recovery, improve circulation, and provide nutrients your muscles need as you age. In today's video, we're revealing 3 incredible teas that many seniors are now adding to their daily routine to help maintain muscle strength, support healthy aging, keep walking strong. The third tea on this list surprises almost everyone, because it's probably not the one you're thinking of. So stay with me until the end, because these simple drinks could become one of the easiest and most affordable additions to your healthy lifestyle. As we get older, the biggest challenges many people face is the gradual loss of muscle strength and physical endurance. This natural process can make everyday activities feel more difficult than they once were. That's why many health experts encourage older adults to pay close attention, not only to exercise and protein intake, but also to supportive daily habits that promote overall wellness. That continues to stand out for its impressive health benefits is green tea. Made from minimally processed leaves, green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, which help protect cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress is believed to contribute to aging and may affect muscle recovery and physical performance over time. Green tea also contains plant compounds that may help support healthy circulation throughout the body. Good circulation plays an important role in delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles, helping them function more efficiently. Some research suggests that green tea may also support the body's natural ability to manage inflammation, since chronic inflammation can contribute to muscle discomfort and reduced mobility. Keeping inflammation under control is an important part of healthy aging. Advantage of green tea is its ability to support energy levels without the intense stimulation associated with many sugary drinks. It contains a moderate amount of caffeine along with an amino acid called L-theanine, a unique combination that may promote alertness while helping maintain a calm and focused state. This balanced effect can be especially beneficial for older adults who want steady energy to remain physically active throughout the day, while supporting habits that contribute to maintaining strength and overall physical function. Another tea that deserves attention when discussing strength and mobility after 60 is ginger tea. For centuries, has been valued in traditional wellness practices for its natural health supporting properties. Made by steeping fresh ginger root or dried ginger in hot water, this warming beverage contains bioactive compounds such as gingerol and shogal, which are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. As people age, ongoing inflammation can place stress on muscles and joints, making movement less comfortable and reducing the desire to stay physically active. Supporting the body's natural inflammatory response is one reason ginger tea has become a popular choice among older adults. Maintaining an active lifestyle is essential for preserving muscle mass and balance. Comfort during movement plays a major role in staying consistent with daily activity. Ginger tea may help support joint flexibility and overall physical comfort. Easier to participate in regular walks, stretching routines, and other forms of exercise that help maintain muscle strength. It is also known to support healthy circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to be delivered more effectively throughout the body. Benefit of ginger tea is its positive effect on digestion. Proper digestion helps the body absorb important nutrients from food, including protein, vitamins, minerals that contribute to muscle maintenance and overall health. Many older adults experience occasional digestive discomfort. Ginger has long been used to support digestive wellness and stomach comfort. Its naturally warming qualities can also provide a soothing and refreshing experience, an enjoyable addition to a daily routine focused on supporting mobility, vitality, physical activity, and healthy aging. The third tea on our list may surprise many people, because it is often recognized for its vibrant color and refreshing taste, rather than its potential benefits for strength and mobility. Hibiscus tea is made from the dried petals of the hibiscus flower, and is naturally rich in antioxidants, including anthocyanins and polyphenols. These plant compounds help protect the body's cells from oxidative stress, which can become more significant as we age. Reducing oxidative stress is important because it may help support overall physical function and contribute to healthy aging. One of the most notable benefits of hibiscus tea is its ability to support healthy circulation. Good blood flow plays a critical role in delivering oxygen and nutrients to muscles and tissues throughout the body. When circulation is functioning efficiently, muscles receive the resources they need to perform daily tasks and recover from physical activity. For older adults who want to stay active and independent, cardiovascular health is an important part of maintaining mobility and endurance. Hibiscus tea is also naturally caffeine-free, making it a suitable option for those who prefer a calming beverage at any time of the day. Staying properly hydrated is another key factor in maintaining muscle function. Flavorful herbal teas like hibiscus can make it easier to increase daily fluid intake. Some studies have also explored hibiscus tea's role in supporting healthy blood pressure levels already within a normal range, is closely connected to overall cardiovascular wellness. Its slightly tart flavor and refreshing character make it an enjoyable beverage that can fit easily into a balanced lifestyle focused on maintaining energy, movement, and long-term physical well-being. As we wrap up, remember that staying strong after 60 isn't about finding a miracle cure or chasing the latest health trend. It's about making small, consistent choices that support your body every single day. The 3 teas we discussed today may help promote better circulation, reduce inflammation, support muscle health, and contribute to overall wellness when combined with a balanced diet, regular movement, and healthy lifestyle habits. If you're already drinking one of these teas, let us know in the comments below, and tell us about your experience. And if you're planning to try one, love to hear which one caught your attention the most. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss our latest health and wellness tips designed to help you stay active, independent, and feeling your best. Thank you for watching, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.